Hey, what's going on?
Wagwan.
We again.
This again.
Same madness. So how have you all been? Hope you've been doing well.
Come on. So I know it's been a while. We know it's been a while. But we wouldn't just touch quickly, um, you know, check y'all out. We don't want to continue to leave y'all hanging, whatever you want to call it. Just give a quick update. So we have been here five
5 months or so.
five
5
months.
months.
5 months. But so far I would say it's incredibly challenging. What would you say your biggest challenge with the overall
Well,
ordeal?
the thing is, well, it's not just a shop. We're opening up a pizza thing.
A restaurant.
Yeah, well, I've never opened a pizza restaurant before, so that alone it's kind of weird. But that was one. So here's the thing: we enjoy making pizza.
Food in
And
general, as you
yeah,
guys can tell.
and then following into the theme of coming here, we just know that whatever happens for the rest of our life, as much as possible, it's we want to do exactly what we want to do as
Yeah.
much as possible. Things that we enjoy doing.
Yeah.
So we enjoy making pizza. So it's gonna be a pizza restaurant, and we're basically working on it now. More.
So we started the red on the basically the additional part. So we started that today. Well, that one was already our test wall. But we just decided to just do the whole thing red, pretty much, except for like this little portion.
Was a shop, was a like a front shop that's an addition to the house. So we pretty much gutted it and we're start rebuilding it now. And in the meantime, we're getting appliances in and all that good stuff. So that's basically where we are. And we're enjoying our deal, yeah, because it's new, but we're enjoying every minute of it. It just kind of seemed real cool,
Yeah,
to actually be doing that.
I guess for me, I would say the most challenging of it all is having to wait for certain things. It's kind of the in between where the days where things aren't moving that get the most or bring the most anxiety to me personally. It does get a little nerve wracking to be like, okay, well, when is this just gonna be done?
People
So
just
we
depend
can
on their
start.
own time.
Oh yeah, but still,
From when they feel like, you know the story. We did go through the story there already. So yeah, that's kind of nerve wracking.
overall, it's more or less, yeah, just the limbo, the kind of in between. That really just kind of frustrates me. But otherwise, like you said, it's really beautiful to be a part of the overall process, to see where it started, where it's going, and where it is
Yeah,
now.
I'm
It's really
looking forward to
exciting.
making pizza.
And other things. I don't know why he's so stuck on this pizza
Yeah, cause
thing.
I mean, just there's just something about it. I'm just basically just like so.
Yes, that's why I said it's a restaurant. He keeps being, he just keeps talking about the pizza, but it'll be far more than just pizza. Um, a really refreshing experience to the other food options that are around this area.
Yeah, cause I mean, mostly it's just the store go chicken and rice. So we'll do pizza, we'll do burger, that kind of a deal. And we're planning for open like on Friday. So next week Friday, I think.
So we are looking to open soon, um, uh, sooner rather than later, by hell or high water, by hook or crook. It most certainly will go forward, and it will be successful. So we're really excited for this venture. Overall, we've had, like we said, lots of things in between, and I guess if you guys care, we might drop another video about where we've been, what we've been doing. But that's pretty much it.
Yeah,
Um,
but not to cut you, because I just want to remember this. But the whole idea is this is about the hustle. So you come here and you're gonna have to hustle, and
yeah,
then if you can find a hustle that's pretty cool, then that's even more power to you. But so we want to show you the hustling process of how
yes,
we do, where we get by day to day, whatever. Because it's not just moving. Now that we're here, the hustle has to be on, and that's what we want to drag you into our hustle. Just to see what's
yeah.
going as much as possible. Because we're not gonna tell you all our business, but
Yeah, and the
you
move
understand.
itself, relatively, is the easy part. Once you kind of leave off American soil, a lot of things get a lot easier. Um, you get a lot of more clarity, but a lot of this is more of like a self discovery. So, looking and finding what you can do, because what we're doing is not going to work for everybody. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to have the same resources or opportunities in some cases. So you really just want to lean into what you're able to do and what makes you happy. And if you can combine those two and find a hustle in there, whether it be food, barber shops, hair of any kind, like whatever your skill or talents are, lean into that. Not what you think your talents are, because some people really feel like they can cook. And I'm gonna just let you know right now, not all of us can cook. That's just facts. Okay, we all can't be good at cooking. And look, argue with your mama. I ain't arguing with nobody. But reality is, a lot of people feel like they can do something, and that's just not it. So we know people who can, or who think they can sing, and they can't. So again, in their mind, so don't. When we say self discovery, just be realistic about what you're capable of and what you're willing to do. Because even though babysitting is easy for certain people, if you're not good with kids, it's not really a good or ideal selection. So find what you love, what you're good at, and what the community is missing, and fill that gap.
True that.
So yeah, we won't be before you long, but we wanted to just quickly touch bases. We're gonna soon get back into doing movie reviews. Um, what else? Food reviews. Because contrary to belief, we actually go out quite often. Especially here lately, like if we're going to like the hardware shops, we have not been taking phones or cameras. Even when we went and kind of
Yeah.
went downtown, we went to see when we go to the market, when we go by the water, we just have not been taking our phones for some reason. So we're gonna do better at being content creators and bringing content to y'all. Also, y'all check us out on TikTok. We got a TikTok now. We're gonna go ahead and start uploading over there so that we can kind of expand further than what we have. Our IG, our Facebook, just to be able to touch more people around the world. So check us out on YouTube. Um, that is already linked on our YouTube. So if you haven't gone over and checked that out, check out our TikTok.
Alright,
Peace.
take it easy. Looking forward to seeing you again.